Hey guys, and welcome to another awesome giveaway. Now, no matter what this winner chooses from the item shop, make sure to choose whatever you guys would like to win. So make sure to watch the entire video for a chance to win. And again, make sure to watch it because there's 3 steps coming right up. Anyways, let's just get started with the gifting. So we're gonna go into the shop, and what he wanted from here are 2 things. Usually you guys can only sign up for one thing, and that's the way it goes. Always just sign up for one thing. However, if it's just a skin and it doesn't come within a bundle, we can make it a bundle for you. Because usually subs that win end up like choosing a bundle that's already made. So we're gonna go on and gift this away. So we're gonna choose this gift. We're gonna choose his name, and we're gonna gift it away. Sending gift. How long does the gifting take? It's immediate. So all we have to do is like kind of refresh Fortnite, but I can make sure he got it because he says he owns this, so I cannot send it over again. Also, start want. That's what he wanted. So we're going to go on and gift it away. We're going to send it. All right. So that's how that works. So don't sign up for 2 things. Sign up for one thing. But if we can make it a bundle, we'll make it a bundle. So that's kind of a bundle-ish type of thing. At least it will include a pickaxe. And there we go. You got your awesome skin. Obviously, you would have got the pickaxe as well. Anyways, if you guys would like a chance to win, make sure to follow these 3 simple steps.
Step number 1, go right into item shop right here on Fortnite. On the bottom right hand side, you're going to see support a creator. So you're just going to go right into there and type in tech and design. Now keep in mind it can be all caps or it can be just like you see it right now. Click on done, accept. Step number 2, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Tech and Design. So just hit subscribe. Step number 3, below in the comments area of this video, you're gonna type in, I want to win a free skin battle pass emote back bling. It depends what you guys want to win, just type that in. So in this case, if you're signing up for a free skin, type in what skin you guys want. You guys want the battle pass? If you're signing up for that, then it's the battle pass. So be specific what you guys want, and in the end, just type in your epic username. And that's because I have to match up your epic username with whatever name you guys are using right here on YouTube. Anyways, that would be it. All you guys have to do is follow those 3 very simple steps and you're all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.